How to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. The first way is to leave a comment on that person's post. Then ask someone to check if your comment is visible. If it is not, then it might be because that person has restricted you on Instagram. The second way is to check their activity status. For that, head over to DMs, and if you have ever sent a DM to that person, you're going to find the activity status right below their username. So if you have already enabled the activity status and that person has done that as well, however, you're not able to find the green button or the activity status, that might be because you are restricted on that person's account. Now, another step that you can do is to send a DM to that person. If you are not restricted, then once this person has viewed your DM, it's going to show as seen. If you do not get this seen status for a long period of time, that might be because you are restricted on that person's account. Now, you have to remember that being restricted is not similar to being blocked. That person might have simply limited your access to their account, and this is how you can know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.